So when you want like extra oomph and you want it to stay a little bit more and you're using your heat styling tools, what you're going to do is after you use your tool, you're going to put the Velcro in. Okay. So I'm kind of over directing because I want a little lift up there. Yeah. And literally putting that heat onto your hair, which is restructuring the shape. But the best part is if I take this out, I'm going to spritz it a little bit, right? Because I love how that gives it more hold. And then put my Velcro in. Okay. And then it has the clips if we need them. Perfect. So we can clip that in if we want to clip it.
Oh. Okay. So over directing it like that.
Right. So lift up higher even. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. And just twist that curl through however you normally do. Yep. Right. So you're doing your whole section. Okay. And then you're going to grab that because we're going to put the roller in there. Perfect. So you can put that guy down. Okay. So pull out and make sure all those ends get in, like you brush them in. Yeah.
Okay. And then kind of twist it in.
And put it right on top of the section.
Okay.
You want to clip it?
Yeah, I'll clip it. So it stays. Great. All right. Let's see. Okay.
So they come out real easy, right?
Oh, and they don't pull at all.
Ooh.
See, I never get this, and I
not so close on that
further
spray,
away.
Okay, very far, and dusting. See how you made it wet?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't ever want to do that. You know, you just want it to be out here.
Yeah.
And the mist on there.
Okay.
Especially at this point.
I getcha. Right, let's see.
It really is easy to come out, right?
It comes out so easy. It doesn't like yank or pull at all.
Nice.
And also, my hair is never like this. Can we just talk about this for a second?
What?
Crazy. Like it's never off my neck. Like that's not.
It's never voluminous. No. It's more of like down, right?
It's a straight.
And this really is hair. Like it's the nice look.
Yeah.
Like an amazing blowout, right? Like,
yeah. Well, and I didn't have to do anything. You know what I mean? You just put it in, and it's like.
And just
like
move
that far.
while you're doing it. Yeah, like you were spray painting something. I know you know how to do that. You know, like never in one spot. You always
you're
want to
moving
like
it around.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay. Get this.
Really beautiful thickness. Now you had the really large ones throughout.
Yes.
Which is great because you just went for volume, not curl.
Yeah.
That you know you have the smaller ones in there too. If you want to do them up top, they would have had a little bit more. This is more of a wave. It looks so good.
It really is like shockingly voluminous. You know what I mean? Like that's not really something I'm used to saying about my own hair.
Yeah, your hair is pretty fine, right?
Incredibly fine.
It's straight.
It's really straight and really fine. So yeah, it's like
look at that.
Yeah.
So I like to usually just use my fingers gently.
Yeah.
You know, and kind of put the style into place.
Yeah.
But look at the volume.
Yeah, no, it's crazy.
We should have a before and after of this one. What do you think? Like your hair generally is just so.
Well, it's usually pin straight, flat, straight down. So this is totally different.
Yeah. And if you wanted to do something up, you know, like this is the perfect time to like now we've got the
totally.
body
Like look
there.
how cute that front.
Yeah. And you've got this fullness.
Yeah.
You can do this heatless as well. Like we use the heat styling the perfector,
right.
And then you put the roller in. But if you just put the rollers in, you would want to leave them in longer. Give it time to, you know, you left them in what, 10 minutes? Like, you know, we could leave them in a little bit longer if you didn't use heat at all.
Okay.
Yeah, so go ahead, feel free to brush through it. You see how, does it feel
Look how
thicker?
it even like falls, like so.
Like that's not.
No.
That's new
That's
for you,
not
right?
easily achieved. No. Yeah.
On your super straight hair.
Really straight, really fine hair. Yeah.
So shiny.
Yeah.
I love it.
I love it too. Yeah.